Hello, this is Jeff the Drunken Cyclist here again on my rooftop deck here in lovely Philadelphia on a gorgeous afternoon, about 78 degrees, and we thought it'd be a great time to savor another bottle of sparkling wine. Today we have a 2012 Blanc de Noir from Gruet, or Gruet, depends on how French you want to get. And we'll go through the steps one more time. First, you remove all the foil. So take off the foil off the top. And you want to take it off all the way down the side as well. By the way, I'm here with my two sons, Nathan, who's filming here, and Sebastian, who's filming over there. They're helping me out, as they almost always do here on the Drunken Cyclist Sabering Challenge, or whatever we're going to call this. Alright. As I mentioned before, this paper is annoying, but what can you do? All right, so you want to find a seam next. That's where the bottle's at its weakest. Take off the cage. All right. There it goes. Grab your sabering implement, which today is a stapler. Kind of a beat up old stapler, but it's a stapler. And be sure to move your glass out of the way.
So we want to move.
Okay.
Go.
All right, ready to chew. Okay, here we go. So the paper is causing a problem here. Causing a big problem, actually. Thought for sure this would work. It's not. That's like perfect. You might be in trouble here, guys.
Why?
Missed on that one. All right, you might have to go to plan B. I don't know if that'll work either.
Don't staple your hand.
Thanks for the advice. I think we're getting close. Maybe not.
Try the other seam.
Everybody's a critic. Well, we might have to go with something else. Good chart. Try.
Did you break the glass?
I didn't break the glass. What am I paying you for? Be quiet.
You're not even paying me.
No, good point. I almost got it there. Ooh. Done a little damage to the stapler. I think now we've seen our problem. There's a little damage to the stapler. That is not good.
I'll pay.
I think I just stapled something.
Just do it.
Alright. Gonna have to resort to plan B.
I thought plan B was scissors.
Right. So Chewy wants me to do scissors, but I don't think this is gonna work. I might end up slicing my hand off. No, this isn't gonna work.
Don't do it. Scissors are gonna fly out of his hands. I'm just gonna back up.
We might have to revisit this another time. Done this with the glass a million times, so worth it.
3 minutes. I'll get it. Where'd it go?
I don't know, I think it went to somebody's yard. Well, there you have it. I kind of wanted to do it with the scissors. After I kind of wanted to do it with the stapler. And I I did it with the glass, but it went to somebody's backyard, I'm pretty sure. Oh well, it's another adventure here with the drunken cyclist. Say goodbye, Nathan.
Bye.
Say goodbye, Sebastian.
Bye.
All right, thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.
See the